From CCW Instructors. We train for success. I'm doing an at-the-range review of the Kimber 1911. I've had the opportunity to put some rounds through this gun today, and I have to say, I'm amazed. The balance, the engineering, the look, and the way it fires, it's just top-notch, top level. I'm going to put a couple rounds through it, take a look at how it shoots. Wow. I have to say, that is one of the best things I've ever shot. Talk about engineering. I mean, I can feel it in my hands. Very little recoil. We're shooting 45 ACP through it. And I was able to make some good shots. Another belonged to me. And I really enjoyed it. I could shoot this gun all day long without any problem. Very little fatigue. For anyone that's out in the market looking for a very good 1911, I absolutely recommend the Kimber. Stay safe, keep shooting, keep training.